Hello, Clinton Cougars! Welcome back to another afternoon job. We're going to have a fun read aloud about the sun. So sit back and relax and let's have fun. Let me share my screen in this recording really quickly. Come on, Miss Wilhelm, you can do it. There it is. And now you should see my book called The Sun. And so this little summary right here says, what object is the center of our solar system? The sun, of course. Journey through space and learn facts about the most famous star in outer space. And the title is called The Sun, a superstar. Kind of like me, a superstar. All right, here we go. Ready? What object is the center of Earth's solar system? The sun. 8 planets orbit or move around the sun. So see those arrows pointing? That's the direction that they go. And we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, that's where we live, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. 8 planets. The sun is a star. What? Yes, that's right. My mind was also blown when I learned that when I was your age. It says the sun is, excuse me, the sun is 93 million miles from Earth. Let me say that one more time. 93 million miles from Earth. That's pretty far away, right? So we don't see the sun at night like the other stars. Why? That's a great question. Well, the Earth is always spinning. And if you see this arrow, it's showing you the Earth is spinning. So see how this part is light and bright and this part is kind of shadowy and dark? The light bright side is the one facing the sun. So for them, it's daytime. But as the Earth turns, eventually you'll get to a part where it's dark. And for those friends right here, it's nighttime. It says at night, part of the Earth faces away from the sun. That's this part, the part facing away from the sun, which is why it's nighttime. In the daytime, part of the Earth faces the sun. So if you think about it, if we didn't have the sun, we wouldn't really have daytime. It would be really hard to see everything. This is when we see the sun's bright light. Oh, what I was just talking about. The sun is the largest object in our solar system. First grade, it's huge. It's so large that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. What? Look really, really closely. Do you see that little tiny dot? That's the Earth. They could fit more than 1 million Earths inside the sun. Oh my goodness. It's like a really big purse. The sun is made of gases and energy. Its surface is super hot. And it says 9,939 degrees Fahrenheit. And it says it has layers of gases and energy. So this is kind of like they took a chunk out of it, a slice out of it, and they're showing you the inside of it. Sometimes gases and energy shoot out from the sun's surface. This is called a solar flare. And it's pointing to it right here, showing it. The sun gives us light and heat. So without the sun, we wouldn't have light or heat. It gives plants energy to grow. Oh my goodness, if we didn't have a sun, would we have plants? People, plants, and animals could not live without the sun. Oh, thank goodness we have it. And then it gives you some facts. So it says sun versus Earth. And then it compares them in position, size, temperature, and the surface. So the sun is the center of our solar system. But really, Earth is 93 million miles away from the sun, right? Super far away. The size, well, if you look, the sun is way bigger than the Earth, right? We said that they could fit more than 1 million Earths inside of the sun. Now, temperature, that means how hot is it? Earth, it says 59 degrees Fahrenheit. This one says 9,993 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think it's safe to say that the sun is a little toasty, a lot hotter than Earth. And then surface. So when you think about Earth, or you think about a globe, you see green and brown usually. That's because it's mostly water and some land. The water's the blue, the green is the land. And then the surface of the sun is actually gases and energy. And then, because this is a great nonfiction text or book, it has a glossary in the back, which is a great nonfiction text feature for friends that are learning about a new topic. It gives them vocabulary, which is a fancy schmancy word for words that have meanings that you might not know. So, for example, Miss Wilhelm is pretty new to the word solar flare. And I can go here, and if I didn't know what solar flare meant, and I can see the word and the picture, and it says it's a flash of brightness above the sun in which energy is released. Or I could look at orbit, one of my favorite science words. It says to circle around a planet, the sun, or another object. And then, I know even more, another great nonfiction text feature, an index. So if you look, it gives you some important vocabulary. Again, a fancy schmancy word for words. And it'll tell you what pages those words are mentioned on if you were looking for specific information, which is really helpful. First grade, I feel like we just learned so much together. And I'm so proud of you for coming back for another afternoon job. Pat yourself on the back. You're doing a great work. Or you're doing a great job. Doing a great work. This Wilhelm needs more coffee, clearly. All right, first grade, have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you soon. See you later, alligators. Bye.